Here we have a gorgeous 1967 Pontiac Catalina convertible, and wow, I tell you, this is one of those kind of cost no object restorations where the body panel fit is just awesome. The bright work is like jewelry. The interior is a time trip, you know, back in time. It just, if it was new, I'm not sure it would really look any different. And just the overall presentation of it is just, it's a time machine. If you like Pontiacs, which were among the most stylish vehicles of the 60s, some people think that was the winning division over all of them. Just gorgeous everywhere you look. I believe it was 1967 when Pontiac was the first company to find a way to hide the windshield wipers. So it's an exceptionally clean look. Gorgeous paint, gorgeous car. If you look in the description, this is for sale. Available in Georgia. It's in Lula, Georgia. It's close to Atlanta, kind of Atlanta metro area. If you look at the description, there'll be a link to Auto Trader Classics where you can see up to 100 detailed pictures of this car. And there's a couple other videos on YouTube too. So thanks for looking.